This is a brief video of my 2019 KTM Super Adventure R. This bike replaces my 2015 Super Adventure T, the touring model. So just a quick walk around of how I set this bike up from the dealership. I've ordered the Super Adventure S windscreen for a little bit better wind protection, the pre-filter to minimize maintenance down the road, the power parts skid plate, and the power parts rally pegs. That should make things better when I'm going off-road. And as far as touring, I got the power parts ergo seat, heated seat, and I didn't get the heated pillion seat. My wife doesn't ride when the weather gets cold. And on the touring theme, the touring panniers. I just prefer the touring panniers over the more adventure style with the tubing brackets that are required for the mounting. On the top, I've got an old Kivy top box, which was a box that I had on the previous bike, and I've moved around to this bike. As far as other setups on this, I had the Super Adventure T insulated rear header installed at the time of delivery to minimize any heat concerns. And moving up to the top here, I had the heated grips installed, and one of the things I noticed on these heated grips was that they don't have the large wire sticking out on the bottom of these heated grips like the old Super Adventure T had. Before, it used to hang down on both thumbs. I don't know what KTM did with these ones, but you can see there's no wire on here. Much cleaner design. So that's how I had the bike set up.